Great. Good afternoon, everyone. In previous presentations, we have known a lot of other electronic products that are very personal. And therefore, today we're going to introduce to you all an electronic product that has a very close touch with the public, which is the closed-circuit television, in short, is CCTV. My name is Winnie, and this is my schoolmate Coco. Actually, CCTV has been established a long time ago in the mid-1990s, and it was established in Germany. And for a few years more later, it got more popular among the UK, and also from now in 2009, it's already been established into a more smarter CCTV technology. The main purpose of the CCTV is to transmit the videos from a fixed camera to a mobile monitor. So mainly through either a cable or wireless connection. And also the videos could be reviewed through real-time basis or to be stored later on and for viewing for later security purposes. In the previous cases, it just has the role of a passive prevention of criminals. That means that mainly they are focusing on the criminals such as littering or shoplifting and all that. But now with the more advanced technology, it's going to be taking a role of an active prevention of criminals, adopting the technology of behavior analysis.
Now I'm not going to talk about what CCTV make of. Like CCTV basically make of secure camera, which is really important to CCTV system, and then the other is camera lenses, because like security cameras and camera lenses are separate in CCTV system. And then also the digital video recorder, multipliers that connect to the DVR, and the last thing is CCTV monitor. There are two main types of connection for CCTV camera to the monitor or monitoring or recording device, and they consist of either a fixed cable or wireless connection. Fixed cable connection means that your camera will be physically connected to your monitor or recording device through a cable. Most of them are really similar to, those cables are really similar to normal home TV cables. And the other one is wireless connection. Most wireless CCTV cameras use the 2.4 GHz frequencies to transmit the video images to a monitor or DVR. Usually, frequencies can be slightly changed to have more than one group of camera in a specific space. Wireless CCTV cameras use these frequencies can easily transmit through multiple or optical. And this wireless connection gives you more freedom to the CCTV camera. And there's some, this is just how normally our CCTV network is. And now, like CCTV is not only traditional CCTV like what she has mentioned. There's some new technology now. The first one is IP camera. An IP network video camera is a video camera with a built-in web server that can be controlled, monitored, and viewed from virtually any location through a high-speed internet access. An IP network video camera can be described as a camera and a computer combined. It is connected directly to the network as any other network device, and it has a built-in software for like email client and etc. It also may include some alarm input and delay output as well with some other technology. The network camera component captures the image first, and then which can be described as a line of different wavelengths and transform it into electronic signals. Those signals are then converted from analog to digital format and transmitted into the computer function where the image is compressed and sent out over the network. And the other technology used in CCTV is behavioral recognition technology. With advanced technology, CCTV software now incorporated human behavior and behavioral recognition technology. This can be segmented into two specific areas. The first one is identify humans by their behavior and monitoring humans by their behavior. Identify people who are about to facilitate a disruptive act can be achieved by using face connection recognition. Like if the camera captures some image like some people is running in a store, which is not normal running in a store, they will capture it and send some signal to the security center and then those people to take some action. And the other is face recognition, which is a computer-derived application for automatically identifying a person. It does that by comparing selected facial features in a live image mode. And this to the latest technology used in CCTV.
Well, however, there is an upfront issue that challenges the establishment of CCTV, which is the privacy. Well, from here we can see that actually CCTV will be set up in a public area, but however, there is a controversial issue that people will be observed, such as like when there is an abnormal shouting in the public area, the camera, which is the more updated and advanced versions nowadays we have, will automatically zoom and pinpoint the individuals, and then to send, in order to alert the operator or to take further security action. So, however, people agree on the fact that actually the advantage of protecting the public security can outweigh the concerns from the individuals. So, therefore, there could be a more potential development in the future. And in the future development for the CCTV, actually, there are two major areas that could be focused on. The first one is to make real-time CCTV videos online, and at the same time, we could also outsource such kind of process to other countries for the purpose, for the sake of coordination of the security issues within a lot of different public areas. And the second one is to develop a recognition of finer details, which could also tell the age of the target that we are observing through the CCTV. By now, actually, it's already acclaimed by a Japanese company called the NEC, which is an IT company that could also bring out this kind of technology. So hopefully, there could be more development on that. And all in all, well, we have to strike a balance between the concern from the public about the privacy and also the potential development in the future. So that's pretty much about our presentation. Thank you.
Questions from the class? Questions? Okay, now let's